Jeff with Koncept Garage here. You're never gonna guess where I am, but before I tell you, let me bring you up to speed. So when our clients bought this house 3 years ago, they didn't see it as a forever home, and with 4 young kids, they've already outgrown it. With the real estate market as it is right now, low inventory, high prices, it didn't make sense to sell this house for a bigger one because they wanted to stay in the same school district. So they chose to work with what they had, but didn't have the time to redesign or clean out themselves. From that point, they decided to book a consultation with us. Now, before I tell you what we did, let me show you what they moved into. They inherited this really awkward cabinet system that was doing more harm than good, and with 4 kids, they never fully unpacked. They had a lot of mixed paperwork and keepsakes they never found the time to sort through. And because of COVID, they had to close their storefront and bring their popsicle business back home. When I met with them, their vision was simple. Create a wellness area to enjoy as a couple, make their popsicle inventory accessible, and give their kids a space where they can entertain their friends. So that's what we did. Now in the evenings, when they want to unwind away from the kiddos, they walk into this brand new infrared sauna. The TV is set up, the whole room is now air conditioned, the garage doors have been lifted up to open the room to make it feel more like a living space. And the best part is the popsicle inventory is now accessible. So if you find yourself in the same position or wondering, what happened to all that stuff? Book a free consultation with us. We'd be happy to help. Koncept Garage, we create space for your life.